Assalamu alaikum everybody. Let's make some cornflake chicken. For this recipe, you're going to need 6 pieces of chicken breast which have been sliced lengthwise and are 1 centimeter in thickness. The first step is to add the chicken in a large mixing bowl, followed by the following spices and ingredients: 1 teaspoon of salt, chili flakes, garlic powder, red chili powder, dried parsley, and black pepper. Add everything in the bowl with the chicken and mix very well. Next, coat each piece of chicken in some plain flour. Make sure you coat each piece very well and shake any excess flour. Then, in a separate bowl, plate or container, make sure it is large enough. Crack 2 eggs and mix them very well or until the whites and the yolk become a consistent liquid. Next, in another large bowl or container, add in a few cups of cornflakes and crush them with your hands, since we don't want them to be neither too fine nor too coarse. Okay, so finally we're ready to coat the chicken with cornflakes. The first step is to take the flour covered chicken and dip it in the beaten eggs. Make sure you cover every square inch. Then fish out the piece of chicken, drain the excess, and coat it with cornflakes as shown in the video. Make sure you get every square inch, nook and cranny, as this will ensure maximum crispiness and crunchiness. Repeat the same steps to coat the rest of the chicken. Afterwards, bring some neutral tasting oil up to a temperature of roughly 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and gently lower your chicken in the hot oil. Fry the chicken in the hot oil for about 10 minutes or until the outside turns golden brown while the inside is soft and juicy. Repeat these exact steps to cook the remaining chicken. To accompany this chicken, we can make a quick mayo-based sauce. In a bowl, start by adding 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of sriracha, and 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Mix this very well and pour it into a serving bowl. This is what the final product looks like. So this is it from me. Well done. Fi amanullah.